In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Roo Code in VS Code. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Extensions tab here on the left-hand side, and then you want to look for Roo Code, okay? Type that in, it's going to pop up somewhere at the very top. When it finds it, there we go. You want to click on it and click on the Install button, and it's going to start installing right away. Now, within a few seconds, this is going to be installed, and you'll be able to see it over here on the left. For me, it's hidden over here because I have so many extensions, so just click on the Roo Code, which looks like this, and then it's going to say welcome to Roo Code. So here you have to choose yours, as you can see here, because it needs an LLM provider. You could do the Roo Code cloud provider here because it says the simplest way to use Roo, a curated mix of free and paid models at a low cost, or you could also use another provider, but for this you will need to enter in your own API key and set everything up. So if you want to, you could go ahead and of course set your own API key here. You could choose any of the API providers and then go ahead, type in your API key, choose the model and click on get started. That's one way to set it up. Or the first one is basically the Roo Code cloud provider. You can click on get started when you do that, and it's going to open up an external website. At least it's going to request it. So click on open, and this is going to basically open up your website. Let me actually open this up so I can pull it up on your screen here on the left hand side. There we go. And this is basically where you can go ahead and create your account and then get it set up as well. Okay, so those are the two ways you actually can do this. Of course, you can select whichever one you want to choose and then just click on it, either set up the API or set it up using the cloud provider up here. Click on get started and you'll be good to go. You'll have Roo Code here inside VS Code. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.